Okay, we're gonna start replacing all the broken stuff on the front. After I hit a deer, I've already replaced the radiator so I could drive it. Now I gotta take it all back apart and put the air conditioning condenser in, the header for mounting the headlights, passenger side headlight, and the new front chrome plated plastic grille. So first we gotta start by removing these two bolts, these two down here that hold this assembly in place. Take this bracket off, which holds the battery down. Take these two off. This radiator support comes up, gives us access to the radiator, and we'll put the condenser in. And just a quick little note, these bolts here take a 13mm. This one and this one take a 10mm. The 10mm goes right there. And that nut right down there that holds this bracket in keeps the battery box cover in place, and we'll get those taken off here quickly. Now the reason you want to remove the battery tie down or anchor bar, if you notice how far over it sticks, if you're not careful you can really puncture holes in your radiator and or your condenser, which means you'd be replacing them. So I will finish removing these and these two with a 13mm, and those two, which I've got them loose, so we'll take them out. And when you take these off, there are spacers down in here. One drops in through the top, the other one drops in right here. You can leave that in place. It makes this more structurally sound. If you leave that one in place, make sure it's there when you put it back together. I pull this one out in case I drop it, then it don't go rolling away. See, there's the other one. Keep them right there. Actually, put them right there. And I will fish these two out. There's one other bolt holding this in place. Okay, we got this bolt down here pretty much out. It's a 13mm also. Make sure that don't come swinging down really hard and put a hole in your radiator. Lift this off. Sit up there, out of the way. This plastic piece will come off because it's broke. Got a replacement one. Right now you'd be able to get into replace your radiator, which I already have. So we'll put the air conditioning condenser in there. It's got to sit down on clips down there, and it bolts in right here and right here. So that's the next step. It's right here. That's also a 13. You'll need this whole device out of the way. Technically you don't need to unbolt this, but I do so I can swing this little piece out of the way. And in order to get the air conditioning condenser in here, you kind of need all this disassembled. I think it makes it easier. But if you've had yours apart before, then you know your own little tricks. Take and set these over here. This comes off. Looks to be in good shape. We'll finish pulling this off and then we'll show you the next step. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and remove the headlight fixture to get this out of the way. It's got to come off anyhow. 10mm bolt here, one here, clip comes up here, there's a clip down in there that pops up, and there's a bolt on this side. It's right here. Once you get the headlight housing off, that's got to come out, and then this whole plastic piece will come off. Okay, now we're going to slide the condenser in. Goes this little spot, slides down into a tab down here, and this one slides into a tab over here. Now the key is make sure all this clears as you put it in, which again is why you need the radiator loose so you can move it around. We'll get that installed and show you what it looks like. Okay, here we got it all put back in. Had to take the fan shroud out to make room to get it squeezed past here. This piece here had to squeeze past here, and all this had to squeeze in past here. Had to take the fan shroud out, take the hose loose. I could move the radiator back and forth. I got it bolted in. Bolt the fan shroud back in, put the hose back on, and put the air conditioning lines back on, tighten them down, new seals, and then make an appointment to have the system recharged. Okay, got the radiator support cross member piece back in, bolted down. It's all nice and solid. Everything lined up really good. Had to adjust the hose to get the radiator to sit in the right spot. So now it's just work on putting the front piece in. Okay, I got the plastic header panel in. That's what the headlights will attach to. I got all the bolts tightened up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of them. And now to put the headlights in and see what they look like. Well, it's looking good so far. Oh, they look pretty good. Their aim is really high, so I think we'll fix that. Okay, there's the grill. Looks pretty good. Had to do a little twisting and tweaking, but it all snapped into place. Okay, that concludes the front end rebuild. Radiator, air conditioning condenser, grill, passenger side headlight, and header panel on a 2006 Chevy Trailblazer. Thank you for watching.